In exporting data in blue, the used characters are outputted in a UTF-8 type. But when this file is opened on Excel, Excel mistakes the exported file for one in a Shift-JIS type and causes garbage characters. To correctly edit the exported file on Excel, you need a trick. This video explains how to set. Edit the language table this time. Touch the Export button. Select Text Files for Save As type. Touch the Save button to export the file. Next, start Notepad. Select the export file. Select UTF-8 for encoding. And open the file. Touch Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C on the keyboard to copy all selected. Start Excel. Select the A1 cell and paste the contents of the notepad with Ctrl+B, then edit it. After edit, touch Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C to copy all selected. Start Notepad again and paste the contents of the Excel with Ctrl+V. Select UTF-8 for encoding and save the file as any name. Touch the Import button on blue and select Text Files for Files of type to open the saved text file.